How to take screenshot in HP laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can take screenshot in HP laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now whether it's HP or Lenovo or Dell or whatever else laptop, since you're using Windows 11, the process to take a screenshot is pretty much the same. All you have to do is simply press Shift plus Windows plus S button on your keyboard simultaneously. So press Shift Windows S. As you do that, you should be able to see the snipping tool pop up. Now here you can see four options. The first one over here indicates if you want to take a screenshot for a particular region, as in when you release it, it's going to take a screenshot for that region. But if you want to take a screenshot of the whole page over here, you'll see this little fourth icon, which is the full screen mode. As in when you click the full screen mode, it will automatically take and successfully take the screenshot for you. To find the screenshot, you can go to this pictures icon over here, which is on your file explorer, then go to screenshots. Here you'll be able to see the screenshot that we just took for the full screen page. This way you'll be able to take screenshot in HP laptop. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.